Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Garage Gear. I'm JB, and today we're going to talk about how to amplify the cleansing power of your car wash soap so that way you can better clean your vehicle. Let's get down to business.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, let me show you what most people tend to do when they're kind of washing their car themselves. They'll maybe put just a little bit of soap in, and this is some decent soap. I mean, there may be some people out there that argue this, but you know, if you want to do the car wash on the cheap, here you go. You know, this is a quick Armor All wash. I think this was maybe $4. Pretty cheap, okay? And then what I can do here now is I can just kind of fill it up like this. But as you can see, I get nothing but suds coming out of this over the top. And actually, I only have maybe about, I don't know, where's my water? I mean, to get my hand down there, I maybe have half the thing full, but all the rest of this is full of suds. So it's not gonna be a quality wash for me. All my suds are on the top, all my water's on the bottom, and as I'm dunking my mitts in, that's when they actually start to mix together. So I have kind of an inconsistent mix. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna empty this out and I'm gonna fill it back up with some nice hot water because it is a little chilly out here today. All right, so now we have our bucket refilled, and actually this is some warmer water. Again, like I said, it's cold out here. So what I'm gonna do is now put in my regular old car wash soap, and I'm just gonna mix in, you know, the same as I did before. Boom, just like that. That'll probably do. And as you can see, all the soap is kind of now mixed in there a little, but here's how we really get it all together. I'm gonna take my cordless drill and I'm gonna take this paint mixing tool. Now this was about $7. You can get this on Amazon. I'm gonna put a link in the description below so you can actually purchase one of these yourself. And I'm just gonna put it right in and we're gonna get mixing. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of foaming going on the top. I have it more all mixed in to the water. So I'm gonna raise it up a little bit, put it back down. Boom, just like that. I got a little foaming on top, but not a lot. And there you go. So that's that. So now I have, yes, I have a little foam on the top, but ladies and gentlemen, I have a much more consistent mix. And when I go to wash my vehicles, this is a great way to do it because now I'm actually putting soap all over the car and not just mostly water and a little bit of soap, or having to mix it with my mitts. You can see I got a nice layer of soap all up in this thing. And it's all just mixed together really well now. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how I go about mixing my car wash soap. This takes about an extra 30 seconds to do, but you know what? It's well worth it to get the clean vehicle. And now that I have my nice consistent amount of soap mixed in the bucket, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I kind of keep all the salt and grime and dirt out of the bucket and on the ground away from the vehicle. So first I'm gonna rinse off a panel or two. I'm just gonna do this quickly so I can show you. Get some soap on them. And I'm just gonna kind of go top to bottom, washing off the vehicle here. Just like that. Then I can flip them. I still got plenty of good soap on my mitts. Then I'll come over here, do this panel. And I know there's some probably die-hard detailing enthusiasts that are probably gonna rip on me for something here, but what I do is I rinse all the grime as best I can out of my wash mitts real quick. Now these are wet, all the dirt's on the ground. I can throw these back in the bucket and I pretty much have a clean wash again. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how I do it. It kind of keeps things nice and tidy. That way I'm not washing the vehicle with the same dirty water, you know, panel after panel. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks again for watching Garage Gear. I'm JB. Hopefully these tips will help you guys. Stay tuned to the channel for more upcoming videos. Please like it, subscribe, and have a nice day, everybody.